What's up, everybody? Happy Sunday. Welcome to another edition of the Top 10 at 10. If you are new, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, of course, and go ahead and like it. The more people that get this information, the better, because we're giving out all of this great information that's gonna make you so much money. We're gonna teach you how to trade and how to do everything that you need to do. But today is Sunday. I'm actually feeling really good. I had a good time last night at my sister's party, so I'm not even gonna slow the show up today. I got a lot of information, a lot of game to drop today on what's going on with the stock market and the crypto market. But I'm ready to throw some money. We're gonna go ahead and jump straight into last episode's picks, because I know you all wanna figure out what happened last episode. So let's go ahead and jump straight into those picks. I know some of you all missed those picks, and we're gonna go ahead and get straight on into it. So top station yesterday was Huddick Building Products. All right, that one only went up about 0.3%, but guess what?
Still made some.
It still made money. All right, and that's a top station for last night, or last episode, excuse me. So we're gonna go ahead and throw a couple of dollars for that. We're gonna throw a couple of dollars. I'm gonna save my money today, because I guarantee you I got some real good information to talk about today. And then we also, from our last episode's picks, we also had like something legendary or record breaking happening, if you will. We had 3 stocks that broke even. Like, what are the chances of that? Like, so you didn't quite go Bomb Squad and you didn't quite go Skywalkers. So picks 2 through 4 actually all broke even. Coming in at number 5, we had Cabaletta Bio, which went down almost 0.5%. All right, I'm still very bullish on that. That's a stock that is very, very cheap right now. It's been oversold. I wish I would have bought some, but you're gonna make some money off of that, right? You can make a little bit of money off of that. Magellan Midstream down almost 1%. Macrogenics down a little bit over 2.5%, and Aclaris Therapeutics straight to the bomb squad. All right, straight to the bomb squad. So make sure you stay tuned for tonight's picks, because we have some really great picks coming up for not only tomorrow, but this week. But of course, as always, at the beginning of the top 10 and 10, we are going through last episode's picks, all right? And if this is your first time watching the top 10 at 10 hosted by the Underground Wealth Road, we are the only show on YouTube nightly, every single night from Sunday to Thursday at 10 p.m. that gives you 10 free stock picks for you to check out, for you to investigate, for you to do your research on, add it to your portfolio. And of course, we hope you make a ton of money off of it. Gotta make some money off of these picks. And of course, we also are one of the only YouTube shows that actually has the phone lines open. So you can call in, you can talk about the stocks that you're investing in, you can call in, you can get analysis about the picks that you make, or you can just, ask our outlook on something, right? So here we go.
Who else on YouTube gonna give that? Nobody.
Right here at the Underground Wealth Road. Shout out to Steven, the producer. We are live tonight. Let's go ahead and jump into the topics. Remember, I told you all, I got some important stuff to talk to you about tonight. All right. You really need to learn how to invest, especially if you're one of those people who are like coming from like zero, like most of everybody else. Like, you don't have a large amount of net wealth. Maybe you don't even own your home already, right? And you're starting from zero. You gotta make sure you keep watching the Underground Wealth Road, because we're gonna get you on this money train and we're gonna help you do things the right way. But the reason why I bring that up is because right now there are a lot of funny things happening with our economy right now. We're gonna jump into an article today that a little bit talks about that, right? So here it is right here from Fox News here. And I don't know if y'all have heard of BlackRock, but BlackRock is one of the largest capital investment firms in the world, right? And so BlackRock is actually killing the dream of home ownership, right? Says a journalist, right? And so what's happening right now is that companies like BlackRock and other pension funds, they're actually buying up entire neighborhoods, entire subdivisions, right? There was a subdivision out in Texas. There were like 125 homes. all brand new homes, and companies, they coming in and then they paid $32 million for that entire neighborhood, right? That's a lot of cash, but if you had dreams of actually becoming a homeowner in that neighborhood,
they're making it scarce to be a homeowner nowadays.
Right. That went to the bomb squad. And of course, like, I know that, you know, this show is not about real estate. However, the reason why I bring that up is because for the average person, owning a home is really like the easiest and the most common way to be able to build generational wealth for your family, all right? But what we're having happen right now is things are changing. And when things are changing, you need to be able to change and make sure that you've got your strategy lined up for your family as well. So if you don't own a home right now, you can't afford to not own a home and not have investments. That's definitely a way to be hanging out with the bomb squad indefinitely, right? You're gonna lose a lot of money and you really won't have anything in the future. And of course, inflation is going crazy. Like every single year, it just seems like everything gets more expensive, whether we're talking groceries or gas or housing or college or anything else that you can possibly think of. I don't know anything that's getting any cheaper. All right, so that is why right now, if you are not an active trader, you need to decide right now during this June 13th episode of the Top 10 at 10, I want you to go ahead and decide that you're going to learn how to invest. Because if you learn how to invest, that is really one of the other ways that you can actually guarantee that your family is going to have generational wealth. Because let's be honest, with what's going on right now in the housing market, a lot of people aren't going to be able to buy houses. You're just going to get priced out. And not only are these companies actually buying up these homes, right? But they're paying anywhere between 20 and 50% higher than the asking price, which is it's great for the sellers. That's really great for the sellers, right? But if you're trying to buy a home, you got to understand you are now going to be competing against pension funds, right? And that brings me to another point, right? Buying a home right now, you've got your down payment that you got to pay. You've got your closing costs that you got to pay. You got moving fees that you got to pay. And if you're using the FHA loan, you know, you've got the FHA upfront premium, you've got mortgage insurance that you got to pay. So it really can cost you anywhere between like $15,000 to $20,000 to be able to buy a home right now. You got to start thinking smarter. If you've got $15,000 or $20,000, why not just put it into the market? I mean, I know you all, you love buying your crypto, which is one of the next things that we're gonna talk about. Right? Is crypto making the comeback? I mean, you know, it's never really like left all the way because, you know, for us swingers over here, I mean, we're just like in and out when it's making money, and when it's on the bomb squad, we just leave it alone. But if we take a look at the chart here for Bitcoin, right? You see that it has some strong movement above that 200-day moving average, right? It's made some big swings lately, and as you all know, here on the Money Train, we just make as many swings as we can. But I want you to pay attention to what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Is Bitcoin about to go on another run, or did it just happen to just cross the 200-day moving averages? Because I mean, it's just been looking like it's been going sideways.
Trying to just catch a little pump.
Yeah, it's been going sideways for about the last month. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, if you're one of those share hoarders, right? If you're one of those nasty share hoarders and you've just been hanging on forever, right? You probably haven't really made that much money. Like if you just bought back here on May 19th and, I'm not gonna go all the way over here. I don't know if it's gonna let me condense this here. Yeah, so I don't know. There we go. All right, cool. So if you are one of those people who like, hey, Bitcoin's going up, I'm gonna hold on to it forever, and then you bought back here at the top of another swing, and let's just say you got in back here on May 20th, and you held on to your shares like a klutz, you should join the bomb squad. You're tripping, right? Even after 24 days, you're still down 3%, all right? You didn't really make any money there, and bomb squad looks like they got a hold of you. But if you're smart and you actually understand how to read charts, and you understand that the real money is made with the swings, right? How many people are joining the swing life? In fact, we have the swing life shirts coming soon to the website. If you're a swinger like us and you're a swing trader and you really enjoy just getting in there and getting on out, kind of one of those wham bam, thank you ma'am situations, we've got the swing life shirts coming for you. But as you can see here on Bitcoin, you could have made a series of swings here. I mean, you know, here's 17% in one day, and then here's another small swing that you could have made. But I mean, there's 6% in about 12 hours. Even if we come over here to the most recent swing on Bitcoin, right? 17% in a day. Good money, good money. Where's my bank?
Throw a couple of dollars, man. Show the bankroll up.
17%.
I'll take
17%, right?
Ooh.
But that's only for the people who know how to do a little bit of swinging here, all right? But as you can see, it looks like Bitcoin has actually finally made a strong move above that 200-day moving average, right? Representing, let's see how, in terms of percent, how far it is.
I bought at 60,000, still trying to make a comeback.
You bought at 60,000. I mean, come on. I mean, right now, I hit the tool in the wrong direction. Sorry about that, y'all. Right now, Bitcoin is about 8% above its, 200-day moving average, which is good. Let's go back and see what took place the last time Bitcoin was about 8%. Would it be here? All right, let's see here. Last time Bitcoin was about 8% above that 200-day moving average. No, that's only 4%, so that doesn't count. We gotta go back in time here. Gotta go back in time in my time machine.
Maybe that swing over there.
Maybe this swing over here.
And that one looked like it took a few days.
Let's say, nope. So what we're showing you here is right. Oh, here it goes. This has got to be it.
That was the swing.
This is the swing that probably made you the cha-ching. All right, it was 8%. This is back in March, right? Back in March, it went 8% over that 200-day moving average, and at its peak, it was up 25% over its 200-day moving average. And of course, if y'all have been watching, that 200-day moving average is like a magnet. So once you get above it, you gotta come back down and pay the piper. You got to see that 200-day moving average again at some point. But for those of you who really like crypto and you're one of those shareholders, if you've been swinging crypto all along, I know you've made good money, and good for you. But if you're one of those people who are one of those those dirty shareholders and you're gonna hold on to crypto, now might be a time to where you actually got a little bit of traction above that 200-day moving average. Maybe you can make a little bit of money, right? Maybe you can make a little bit of money on Bitcoin. Now, for those of you who like Dogecoins, those Shiba Inu people, if we take a look here,
it's only bouncing 2 cents.
Yeah,
30 to 32, 29 back to 31 cent.
Exactly.
You only make your money on that if you're dropping 100,000 in there.
Exactly. Got 100,000, put it on in there because you're holding it. But guess what? Even Dogecoin is creeping on up on that 200 again, but you got to understand how to read the charts. You can use your own judgment on this, but Bitcoin has made a very, very strong move above that 200-day moving average. But that's enough for crypto, because I know everybody doesn't trade crypto. Some people like to make money, in the stock market, and also people like the bomb squad. You can't really do bomb squad on crypto, right? So I want to bring up something else here. A lot of you all, you're not doing your research on your stocks. You're not investing in unconventional stocks, right? You just really like to follow what Wall Street Bet says, right? The Reddit gang, and that's good. I mean, they're on their own money train, right? They're making good money over there. So I'm never going to knock what's going on right now. But it's reported that there's a better short squeeze candidate than AMC. Very interesting, right? So just because something is a candidate doesn't mean it's actually going to be the choice, for everybody to, get those diamond hands on and take it up to the moon. But they're talking about a stock called Good RX, okay? Good RX. And just like anything else, I mean, we care about the chatter, not that much. So we want to go look at the charts. So let's take a look at the actual charts for Good RX. And let's just see if it is something that you might want to be interested in and take some interest in. So right now, this, I guess we could call it AMC killer. I don't want to say it's killing AMC, but I'll just say AMC's friend to be added to the frenzy of short squeezes, right? This stock has actually done pretty decent, over the last few weeks. I believe they said in the article there's like 20% or something around of 27% of its float is sold short. 27%, all right? Ooh. But they're saying it has more cash than AMC. Essentially, they're saying it's a better company than AMC, and nobody should be shorting it.
They got quite a good volume too.
Yeah, I mean, it's looking good. I mean, we're looking at some pretty decent volume here. A little bit over almost 2 million in terms of shares traded every day. And, here, let's just see what it swings like, all right? Man, here you go right here, 18% in 13 days. That's one swing that you could have made money out. I'm not even going to take y'all back here because you already know what it is. You ain't joined the money train yet. I'm not even going to show you the big swings, all right? I'm not going to show you the big swings at all. Here we go again. 9% in 8 days.
All right. This last one.
All right. Now, this last one, I mean, I wish I would have known about it. I would love to have swung with this Good RX company here. I mean, because you're looking at 35%. 35% in 14 days. And that is another cause to throw some money. 35%. We're talking 35% in a very short amount of time. All right. So I'm telling you, you guys got to join the money train because we're one of the few people who are gonna, bring this stuff to you every single day, right here on YouTube at 10 o'clock p.m. And you can join the money train. You're gonna hear about all these great stocks that have good movement and they have potential to really do some things. But I know you don't care about the stocks that we put together because you know what you all like? You all like stuff that's, just boring and doesn't really move anything. And let's go ahead and get into the favorite stations here, all right? Let's go ahead and get into the favorite stations here. I mean, come on. Netflix.
The typical trenders.
The smooth criminals, right? You've got Netflix, which is up 0.31%. If you had some good money, I'm gonna give you this $100 bill right here, which is what you probably would have made if you had, I don't know, quite a couple thousand in Netflix. Yeah, here you go.
Here's your 100.
There's your 100 right there. All right, we got Amazon. I mean, great to order things off of, but I mean, gosh, this stock almost makes me fall asleep looking at the charts. I mean, sometimes people say slow money better than no money. I like my money fast here, and I'm sure you do here on the money train. We like to make money at a really fast rate, make money off these swings. You have Alphabet, so known as Google, or Google's parent company for the people who are like, hey, no, that's different. All right, down 0.2%. Little baby bomb squad. You got Apple, which is up nearly 1%. Nearly 1%. I'll throw a little money here. You got Tesla down 0.4 cents. And you got Facebook down. I'm just gonna give you all as $100. Here you go. Here's your $100. All your hard-earned money that you put into the market because you don't know how to swing trade, because you aren't interested in the unconventional stocks that we talk about on the regular, right? You got to sign up for the alerts program, right? Got to sign up for the alerts program. And if I were to put together an ETF, ours would do really, really good, really good. Because
forget it, bro.
Before we get into the the top 10 at 10, I actually just want to show you just our portfolio. We do keep track of the picks that we're putting up here. I mean, just look at all this green right here, right? Now we got some red. We got some people on the bomb squad. I mean, you know, that's to be expected. But the lowest that we had on Friday was just 6%. It just went down 6%. But look, we've got picks that we have given to you all.
Come on, man. What about Magna Chip? You put up the post the other day. What?
We got so many picks that we're giving.
What?
We're giving you all picks every single night. I don't know if you all are spending your time trading it, but I mean, just on Friday alone.
Man, what about the more medical? Oh,
yeah,
man.
We've got 3 picks on Friday alone that did double digits in growth or money made or whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. So I just wanted to bring this up just to remind you, that you know, you got to get out of those FANG stocks, man. Those FANG stocks, that's why they call them FANG stocks, because they're like vampires sucking the hell out of your blood, and you're not making any money. Well, you could have made 10% or 12% or even just 2 or 3 or 4% here. We're giving you the picks, all right? And that is going to bring us into tonight's top 10 at 10. The only place online that we give you 10 free picks and companies to look at, to invest in, to make money off of. Whether you're on the Skywalkers or whether you're on the Bomb Squad, we're giving it to you to make money. And you know, that's just our thing. You know, we honestly could really keep these to ourselves, right? You know, we don't have to really, I have to tell you.
Keeping it to, we're not selfish, man. We're not selfish.
We're not gonna keep it to ourselves.
We're trying to create a community. Get rich together.
That's it.
Get rich together.
Welcome to the money train, right? Let's all get rich together. And so that brings us to tonight's top 10 picks. And of course, if you're seeing this, you're on the cutting edge of what's going on here in the stock market. But guess what? You know, for those of you who have seen the top 10 at 10 and you don't come back to check, I guarantee you, you're missing out on some money. You're missing out on some money, and I don't want that to happen. So, without further ado, and tonight I actually do have 10 picks because I realized that
it's all good, man. Thursday, we were thinking about too much money on Thursday, man.
Thinking about the money, and I forgot that we only did 8 picks on Thursday.
But you see, that's how we know we didn't even get a comment on it.
No.
Our viewers ain't even coming back and letting us know, hey, Mark.
Yeah.
It was only 8 picks, not 10.
That's right, man. What are y'all doing? I mean, why we not
even commenting? Yo, Steven, what y'all doing, man? It was only 8 picks.
Where the comments at, man? Where the comments at? We need share, comment, like.
Come on,
we're giving you free information, right? We're giving you
somebody out there making money.
Somebody got to make some money. Somebody got to make some money.
They're making money on these picks and they're not telling us.
I'm making money.
Yeah, I'm making money. We out here on the block. We making money on these picks.
We're making money off of these picks.
We ain't being selfish. We trying to help y'all to make money with us.
We ain't to tell y'all anything. We ain't to tell y'all anything. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And make sure that you're tuning in every single night that you can, because I don't want you to really miss anything. So let's go ahead and jump on into these picks. I'm feeling nice tonight. I want to go ahead and get finished so I can go to sleep tonight and give me some good rest and go make some money this week. That's what I'm planning on doing. I mean, come on, right? So the number 1 pick that we have for tonight is ticker sign ALTG. It is the Alta Equipment Group. All right. This stock right now is trading at $13.10. All right. It is in the wholesale distributor industry. Now, for some of you all out there, I know some of you all, you know, some wholesale distributors, right? Whether it's, you know, some of that,
whether it's Costco or BJ's, you know,
or somebody just moving around that wacky tobacco, you know, you never know, right? But this is another one of those unconventional stocks. Here, it only has a volume of about 81,000, all right, which means don't tell nobody. It's a secret, right? We're telling you, all right? But check this thing out. Check the way it swings, which is why it's another, you know, great pick that we have here on the list for tonight.
Swing and make money all day on this. Yeah.
17% in 5 days. Good Lord. Still good money. Not quite 37, but 17% in 5 days with this last most recent swing. And I know, like, okay, it didn't go up as much as certain times crypto swings, right? But at the same time, you know, you just make money where you can, right? Sometimes you might get the 20% on the crypto. Sometimes you might have to wait only 5 days to make it here in the stock market, all right? But its recent swing before the last swing was 15% in 5 days. All right, so Alta Equipment Group, this is another one. It's sitting right here at the 200-day moving average, right? It's gone up pretty decently over the last year as well. Year to date, it's up 33%. Last 3 months, it's up 11%, but it's taking a break. And like I tell you on every single show that we do, when stocks take a break, that's the time to get in. I mean, you don't want to buy it at its most expensive point, like a lot of you people out there trying to buy homes right now. And believe me, I have a real estate company as well too. But I try to caution people, stop buying stuff at the highest price ever. Catch you a little bit of a discount, catch you a little bit of a deal, and that's exactly what this stock is right now. Alta Equipment Group. I am throwing this up straight up to the Skywalkers. Go ahead and jump up on it, all right? The next stock that we have here on the top 10 at 10, and I hate bringing this stock up, Steven. I really do, man. It's freaking Freight Car America. It's Freight Car America, bro.
We could have made some fucking major money off of this.
Yes, sir.
Yo, I got the alert and I missed it, and I missed out on my money that I could have.
Ah, man, it
I
gets,
know how you feel.
dude.
I know how you feel.
Dude, for the viewers who aren't aware where I had Freight Car America at, I bought it right here before it was about to hit that 200. And, I made a little bit of money and I got spooked and I got out. I got scared, right? Look at all this that I missed out on. 41% in 14 days.
Oh, man.
Missed out on that.
Throw some money for that right there for whoever made it.
If you made a little bit of money off of that, kudos to you. But we got it back on the top 10 at 10 list right now as a number 2 stock pick. It's trading at $6.10. On Friday, it went up almost 3.4%. Pretty decent volume, all right? It's got a little bit over 1 million shares traded on average, all right? They're like neutral on this thing. I'm bullish on it, right? Because it's been up 300% over the last 12 months, 153% over the last 6 months, right?
Repeat that. How much? Oh, man.
It has been 300% over the last 12 months, 153% year to date, 77% over the last 3 months. And look, it's just sitting right back at the 200-day moving average again. And if it can trend back in the other direction, then it's gonna be great. And I don't mean like Bomb Squad direction. I mean the Skywalker direction, right? I mean, look at the last time that it bounced off the 200. I mean, 40, well, I actually had that position. I let go of it, right?
Beautiful.
40% in over 14 days. And for those of you who watch the show, you know I only trade options. So I would have made over 100% over my trade on my trade.
Option on that 40%? Jesus.
I would have made over 100% on that, which is really good money. All right.
You know what? That could have been the Hellcat right there.
Yeah. I have to get it next time. But it's gonna come soon. All right. But Freight Car America is the second pick here on the top 10 at 10 on June the 13th. And I'm also very bullish on this one as well too. It's sitting right here at the 200-day moving average. And if you all know how to read charts, you can see that it is trending back towards crossing it. So if it crosses it, I know it's gonna make some really good movement and make you some really good money. So I'm throwing this pick up again to the Skywalkers, all right? Let's keep it moving, all right? Next up, we're gonna get to the number 3 stock, all right? And before I pull this stock up, I wanna let you know that there are people who go shopping. Like, let's say you're going to like the shopping mall, right? I gotta go big on this one really quick, just to get my analogy right. Let's say you go to the shopping mall, right? I mean, me and my wife, we went to the mall this weekend. We had an occasion to attend last night, so we had to go get a little bit of gear, get a little something,
Get yourself looking nice.
Yeah. Because on the money train, we like to look good.
Right, look good.
We like to look good, looking good, smelling good, looking like money,
Smell like money.
You guys know what we do over here, right? All right, so some of you all, when you go to the store, You walk past the clearance rack and you're like, ew, I don't want any of that stuff on clearance, right? It's so cheap. Nobody else wanted it. And I'm just gonna go buy the newest, the latest, the greatest. I don't want to save any money. Top dollar.
Yeah.
At top freaking dollar. Some of y'all want to do it at top dollar. Well, guess what? The number 3 pick that we're actually gonna look at here. I know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, good Lord. This thing is taking a fall, right? This is Hukipa Pharma. Hukipa? Hukipa? I don't know. If you know how to pronounce it, comment below. I'm just trying to make some money off of it. I don't need to know.
The symbol. What's the symbol?
All right. The symbol is hook. Like, we don't need no hook for what we dropping here, man. We just go straight off the dome. And I just noticed that my chair is hiding the rest of this. So
oh man.
This thing has got obliterated by the Bomb Squad recently, right? It's at $9.89.
Shout out to the Bomb Squad on that, making money.
$9.89, and this thing was at $17 last week. That was Tuesday.
Jeez.
Just Tuesday, it was at $17, right? And it was like, man, I mean, come on. Jeez, all right? I mean, this thing like fell off the wagon like we talked about before. But like we always tell you, I mean, you gotta know when to buy. I mean, because this thing makes pretty good swings too. Here's $17. I mean, 17% in 9 days. And if you only had $100, you would have made $17, right? Good money off of 100. You only put 100 in, you make $17. Here's another one, 25% in 2 days. All right. And let's take out this big swing over here. All right, this big swing over here. I mean, come on. 62% in 19 days. 62% in 19 days.
Say it again.
62% in 19 days. So you don't have to get on this stock. You know, I don't care what you buy. You know, my job is to pick it and drive the money train. That's what I drive, the money train. If you don't want to go to this stop, if this is not the station that you want to get on, then by all means, you know, keep riding to whatever get off.
Hey,
all right?
It's not financial advice.
It's definitely not financial advice, right? But trading at $9.89, only down, you know, it's only down 1.6% on Friday, after like falling off the wagon and losing about 50% over the last few days. So as you all should know, stocks are like, you know, they're always trying to find that equilibrium, which is what that 200-day moving average represents. And you know, this stock was actually doing good. Like if we would have came here last week, all of this would have been green, all of it, right? But because of the last downtrend, because the Bomb Squad got a hold of it, it took it all the way down. So everything is in the red right now. So it's down 13% for the year, in the last year, down 10% year to date, down 24% on the last 6 months. So it's all in the red right now. But believe me, this is a buying opportunity, whether you're a swinger or whether you're one of those people who want to hold. All right, what goes up, it's gonna come down. What goes down doesn't have to go up, but it's very, very likely, all right? So I'm not gonna give a like price prediction on exactly where this is gonna go. I'm not predicting that this stock is gonna go all the way back up to $17 per share in a matter of days. What I am telling you right now is that this stock has had the crap beating out of it. It's at its lowest that it's probably gonna be at right now. And no, it sounds crazy, but I'm actually pretty bullish on this one. Actually, I like this stock. Like I said, not something that you're gonna necessarily want to hang on to.
See it, man. Call it like you see it, man.
Not something you necessarily want to hang on to forever, but there's a swing coming on this stock. Even if it's 10% or 15%, or if you get lucky and catch another 20 or 30%, then, you know, you do what you do, you get in and get out. I ain't saying get married to this stock, but I am saying that there is a lot of potential for movement. So add it to your list. I'm throwing this up to the Skywalkers. Let's see what happens. All right. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the number 4 stock here of tonight. Here we go. Got Immunity Bio. All right, Immunity Bio. I wish I had immunity, but I'm not a snitch. I ain't blowing up the operation, all right? Immunity Bio is trading right now at $15.19, up 1.8% on Friday. Obviously, it is a pharmaceutical company, all right? A little bit over 1 million shares traded on average. As you can see here, that 200 is going to cross at some point. Something's getting ready. It's gonna get really, really interesting. And I'm just gonna draw this line for you here, all right? Let's just gonna draw this line here. Let's just say it continues on the same path it's on. I would say that's pretty much about the same path, all right? So maybe in the next week or 2, or even before then, because that is about $17. So it's not even a little bit over 10% away, all right? Let's just say, you know, if the stock keeps dancing around, you know, down to $16, and then, you know what? It could cross over that 200. And big things, they happen when it crosses over that 200. I mean, I know it doesn't look like much, but look at these swings. 19% in 4 days, right? 19% in 4 days. I mean, Netflix ain't going up 19% in forever. All right, here we go. 14% in 2 days. All right, here we go again. Another swing here, right? 14% in 7 days. All right. And of course, you got to learn how to read charts. The course is coming soon. We're getting our introductory course to trading, getting it finished up as we speak. So the course is going to be coming very soon, right? But you don't want to like end up fooling around with those Bomb Squad guys. Cause I mean, look at what the Bomb Squad made over here. And I was so excited to say what the Bomb Squad made. I hit the wrong button. But I mean, let's just take a look at what the Bomb Squad did over here. 57% in 20 days.
Oh, man. Can you imagine that put?
50. Oh,
Jesus.
Dude, that put option on that.
Oh, man.
50% in 20 days.
How to trade options. Sign up. Subscribe. Get with us. We'll teach y'all how to trade those options.
Yeah, we'll teach it. We'll teach you stocks. We'll teach you options.
Get the alerts. You'll know you'll know how to swing.
It's crazy. Good swing there. But however, it looks like that swing is over for the Bomb Squad. All right. And I mean, the stock has still really been doing good over the past, year. It just took a break. And that's what we like. We like when stocks take breaks because it's a good time to pick them up. It's up 120% over the last 12 months, 13% year to date, 47% over the last 6 months. And keep in mind, it just fell 57%. So stock was doing really, really good. But of course, we don't really care what good is. We just like swings. But the stock was doing really good. We're going to throw this one up again to the Skywalkers. $15.19. It's a very good range. As you all might know, or you may not know, I like stocks that are actually in like the $15 to $25 range because they represent a stock that really has a lot of room for growth. You usually get pretty good swings with stocks around that price. If something goes up $1 or $2 or $5, I mean, you're gonna make some serious money versus, a stock that's $60 going up $5. So that being said, Immunity Bio, that is the 4th stock on tonight's top 10 at 10. Throwing that up to the Skywalkers. Let's see what it does. And I hope you make some money off of it. And if you don't, it's because you didn't see this tonight. So keep watching. Join the money train. Make sure you're subscribed. But Immunity Bio is the 4th pick for tonight. All right, let's go ahead and get into number 5. Almost halfway done. All right, you already know this stock, right? It's Goodyear Tire. Oh, yeah. All right, I made a little bit of money off of Goodyear Tire a few weeks ago. I made like 26% on a call. I think I had a like $17.50 call, $17.50. I don't remember exactly what it was.
I made a couple of dollars with this when I first started trading with you. When I first started trading with you, I made a couple of dollars on this, man. Shout out.
Yeah, we're looking for an intern to come pick up all this money.
Yeah.
Cause you know what I mean, we
any of y'all trying to intern, trying to start trading, Shout out.
We in here throwing money, having a good time. All right, we in here throwing money, having a good time. But Goodyear Tire is the fifth stock on tonight's top 10 at 10. Goodyear Tire, right? Goodyear Tire.
Everybody needs it.
Good swings. You know what I mean? Good swings. Here we go. 16%, 7 days. All right, here we go. And I keep telling you all, stop holding shares, man. I don't know why you keep holding these shares, man. I know some people like, I like dividend stocks. Whatever. We like swinging. I don't care nothing about that. All right?
I need my money today.
I want my money in a few days, if not today. In a few days or 2 days. You pick. All right, you pick. And it made another swing, 8% in a matter of days. And here's another swing, 9% in 9 days. All right, cool. All right, and it took a break. Dipped below that 200-day moving average for a quick second, and it's just like battling right on back. So, you know, looks like it's going to be on another long-term uptrend, a long run, and just another example, because I know you dirty shareholders. I mean, you just want to there's what's wrong with holding shares, MJ? Okay, you made 73% in 129 days, which is good, which is very, very good. I promise you, that's a pretty good return. However, you could have just took 32% here in 10 days. Then you could have got out and then got right back in and took another 25% in 5 days. So now I think we're at 15 days and we're already at, what was it, 35 and 25? Yeah, bro. That's 70% right there. Right there. In about a tenth of the time, right? You could have got back in, took another 14, 15%.
So you're already past what they made on the percentage in a year.
You're good.
In a few days.
You're good.
What, about a month? Less than a month?
Right. Right. Man. Less than a month. So I want you
have to wait all year for that.
You ain't have to wait for nothing, right? So I want you all to really get into the mindset of, like, you know, you don't want to keep these things around forever. You get in and you get out. But Goodyear Tire right now, of course, it's an automotive aftermarket company. You know what Goodyear does, right? At least you should, right? $18.75. $3.5% almost on Friday. 5 million shares on average volume. And like I said, it's another one of those stocks been doing real solid. Took a little bit of a break, which is good. I mean, we want to catch the stocks when they take a break.
Everybody needs to rest.
Everybody got to take a little break. Everybody must see the bomb squad. All right. So up almost 100% in the last 12 months, 71% year to date, 74% in the last 6 months. 3% in the last 3 months, and 1% in the last month. Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company, another one. I'm throwing it up for the Skywalkers. And I know that, like, you on the bomb squad, you're probably wondering, like, man, where are our picks at? You know what? They're coming. I don't have anything tonight for you all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't have anything for you tonight. And to be honest, you know, the reason why the bomb squad, they're not really getting a lot of picks is because it's a little bit harder to predict when the stock is going to fall. So that requires more skill, more research. And until you all start sharing and subscribing, I'm not going to give you all the good stuff. So if you're like, hey, the stuff that they're giving out now on the money train at the Underground Wealth Road is working, keep sharing, because that's when we're really gonna bring out the big money things. But until that happens, we're just gonna keep you on a slow pace. You know, you make a little bit of money, and we'll keep all the good stuff to ourselves and the people who get alerts. You know, we'll just keep it like that, all right? Number 6, all right? We're gonna get the rolling here. Number 6, we have Global Blue Group Holding, $10.55, all right? Data processing services. Now, I told you, y'all gotta get these alerts. You got to get these alerts because you already missed out on 12%. It went up 12% on Friday. We knew about it in like the morning time on Friday. I think the alert came in like around like 10ish. All right, so we knew about it early in the morning. I ain't even yawning. Cooking up them stocks like I'm doing a performance. Gucci, right? But here we go. Stock goes on great swings again, 62% in 24 days. Crazy gain, 62% in 24 days. And what do you all notice about that last run? just crossed over that 200. All right, so here we go again. Looks like we have some momentum to the upside to go ahead and get across that 200. If we can get across that 200, you might make another, 60 or, well, you already missed out on 12. You missed out on 12 already. Ain't no telling what can happen. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. But it's been making some really good swings, and it's time for another one. So this is another one of those stocks. And look at this average freaking volume. Who's telling you about these stocks? This stock only has 19,000 shares on average traded in volume. I mean, who's telling you about these stocks besides us on the Money Guy? I guarantee you most of you all have never heard of this stock. Never have.
I doubt it.
Never have. And look at how much money that it's making. Look at the swings that it's doing. So throwing this out to the Skywalkers. Hey, this is another one of those Underground Wealth Road exclusives. Global Blue Group Holding.
Said it here first.
We said it here first. We said it here first, as my boy Steven likes to put it. Check it out. Skywalkers. Be on the lookout. All right. Cool. Next up, we got number 7. Number 7. All right. Oh, I clicked the wrong button. Sorry. Number 7 tonight. We got,
oh, there's so much money to be made. Oh, God. We're giving away too much for free on this show.
It's a lot of stuff for free. This is a lot for free. All right. This stock here, $2.79. All right. First of all, I know y'all probably looking like, hold up. Conductor, can you please tell me what that swing was, the last one it made? And I will gladly do that because, I want you to see what kind of money's going on. I done threw most of my money. I got a little bit of money to throw left. All right, here we go. 117% in 14 days.
Oh, man. Let the money just go rain everywhere, bro.
We're gonna throw the rest. We're just gonna throw the rest of the money that we have here in the studio tonight on that, man.
Right now.
Y'all not hearing us. Y'all gonna go buy some Tesla and make a little 1% or something like that, but y'all not making 119 or 116% in 14 days.
Imagine that option. Oh, Jesus.
Talking about 1,000%. You made over 1,000%.
I'll take 1,000% on my money.
10 times your money. 10 times your money. So yeah. So I mean, if you were trading the option on that, you would have made some really good money.
Sign up and learn how to trade options, man.
Got to sign up. All right, here we go. BioLine RX, obviously pharmaceutical company, $2.79 at the share price right now. A little bit over 1 million on on the volume shares traded. All right, still up 75% for the year. For the last year, up 10% year to date, 17% in the last 6 months, and then it took a break. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, you get a break at work every day, and hopefully you come back rejuvenated. But if you don't, you definitely need to learn how to start trading because you probably won't be there that long. But that's a whole nother story there. And so right now, I don't see a ton of movement here. That's going to the upside right now. However, right? Stocks like these, companies like these, trades like these, subject to just some, pretty I don't want to say out of the blue swings, but I mean, even if you look at this one here, there was some downward pressure here, and then it just boom, it just popped up and went up 71% over 12 days. And that happened right when it crossed under that 200 and right when it crossed back over it. And as you can see, I'll go back a little bit further again here, and I'll remind you, big things happen when these stocks are crossing over this 200 here. There goes another 96% in 8 days. So let's just say this was the only stock that you knew about.
Man.
Shoot, you would have been good.
Just holding on to this
one
station.
No holding.
Well, swinging.
Yeah.
I used the wrong word. Swinging.
No holding. Just swinging.
That one station.
Swinging that one station. You would have made some really good money over the past, I don't know, however long you wanted to swing on to it, right? But right now, where it is right now at $2.79, as you can see with my little line right here, it's that's right about where it bounced off the last time. The last time it went on that run, it's at about 285. So throwing this one up to the Skywalkers, definitely be on the lookout for this stock. If you make 100% in a short amount of time, I'm just gonna be expecting you to just, throw the conduct that little stuff. Just throw me a couple of dollars. You can send me $100. I'll take that. All right. Oh, yeah. I'll take that. All right. Cool. But that has been, what are we on? Number 8?
Number 8. We're going to number 8.
We're going to number 8. That was the number 7 stock of tonight. And like I said again, we're throwing that up to the Skywalkers. Y'all go make some money on that, all right? The next up we have is Surface Oncology. Surface Oncology is a number 8 pick tonight. All right, number 8 pick tonight. Biotechnology, of course, they're dealing with oncology. They're dealing with stuff with cancer, right? And I'm one of those F cancer people because that's actually how I lost my father, right? A good way for you all to pay me back is make me some money off of these swings, right? Here we go. 34% in 17 days. All right. All right. And we got some little baby swings here. And I call them baby swings, but I mean a baby swing is 15% in 6 days.
Is that ticker really surf?
Yep.
Oh, well, that shit was surfing.
Surfing to the money.
Yeah.
You're surfing right on into the money. Right on into the money. You're surfing right on in. Here we go. Another 16% in 5 days. All right. And here we go. I guess you can call this the most recent run where it went over that 200, 23% in 4 days. All right. And of course, taking a break, right? I get you guys the stuff that's on break, right? I don't bring you all stuff that's like already working and I'd be like, ha ha, you missed this. No, I bring it to you when it's on break so you can get in and make some money. Right now, it's only $7.52, right? Little bit over, almost near 1.5 million shares traded on average, right? They've got it as a strong sell. I've got it as a strong swing, right? I'm a strong swinger, right? So it's still up almost 80% over the last 12 months. But just like anything else, it's been taking a break. I mean, it got into it with the bomb squad over here. I mean, the bomb squad got a hold of this thing and wrote it down 30% in 17 days, right? And then they came back and they're like, no, you know what? We got some more bombs to set here, and they took it down another 24% in another 3 days, right? However, right now where this stock is at, this is going for the Skywalkers. However, I really want you all to look for the signal first, all right? Because right now there still is more downward selling pressure on the stock, all right? So
sign up for the alerts.
That's the easy way, right? You always just sign up for the alerts, and then you know when it's happening, right? For $25 a month, you can actually go ahead and get alerts to your cell phone or smartphone or email. Or
they're spending $25 a day on shit.
Spending $25 a day on anything, right? Buying all different types of stuff, right? So this stock here, it is for the Skywalkers. I am going to tell you, don't put your rocket boosters on just yet. Right, just yet, because you guys don't have the alerts, and they do that countdown, ready for takeoff, 10, 9, 8. But guess what? Since you're not on the money train all the way, you don't really have a countdown, which is what we could give you. But this is still for the Skywalkers. This is still a stock that I do believe is going to make some really good movement. Once it crosses the 200 again, it's going to make you some really good money. However, with this stock, I will give you the information on just wait for the signal. So be a little bit patient on this one. We're not talking, 5, 6, 8 weeks or something like that. This one could be maybe, this one could cross maybe by Thursday, or it could be sooner. Of course, if you want the really deep info,
sign up for the alerts.
Sign up for the alerts. Just gotta sign up for the alerts, because this is YouTube, and this is really just like free info that you're getting.
We're giving too much for free, man.
Too much for free. We're gonna throw this up to the Skywalkers here. We're gonna go ahead and get into the number 9 stock of tonight. It is Opera Limited. All right. I thought this was Oprah. It's OPRA, and I know it doesn't have an H, but when I saw this, I was like, what? Oprah got a stock and ain't nobody tell me.
Stock.
Dang, man, Stedman got all the shares.
One of the richest black women out there. Oh, Jesus.
One of the richest women all together, right? And this stock is one of those tech. They might do better, but they're not gonna give you that money. Here we go, 11% in another one day. All right, so pretty good swings on Opera Limited. All right, it's got a good share price, $10.70. Here's another swing, 24% in 6 days. All right, so a little bit over 500,000 in terms of shares traded every day. All right, and it just went on this little run here where you got 33%, 35% in 21 days or 19 days. All right, good money, right? Take that to the bank there. And we are sitting right on the 200-day moving average again. All right, so we're bringing you these stocks that are like ready to pop, and we get, wait a minute. Stop the show. Yo, we giving y'all 10 picks every single night. We giving y'all 10 stocks that already took a break. We're not bringing you anything that might happen. We're not bringing you anything that has already happened. Yeah. We're not bringing you something that's like super duper high risk, right? We're giving you stocks that are ready to pop, right? In either direction, right? But we're doing at least the courtesy of letting you know. And all we're asking you to do is, if you see this, share it.
You know, some of these viewers could take $100. $100 and make a little something.
If you traded this stock on the last few swings it's made, you took 100 and you're already at $200 or $300. Depending on if you're buying options or not. But if you're just buying the actual underlying, just regular stock, you're just going long on the stock and you're not holding long, you're just going long on the stock, you're making money. You're making money. So, like I said, share this video. We're one of the few people that are giving you free money. If you need to know which stocks to pick, you just come here and then you trade them. And then you make some money, right? You make a little bit of money and then y'all do your thing. Maybe you go to the beach or go buy yourself some toys or something like that. But I digress. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up here for you all tonight. So it is Sunday. I know I want you all to go ahead and, get some rest. So here we go. Opera, right? Got that on the list here for the Skywalkers. Been doing pretty good recently here. 25% over the last 6 months, up 17% year to date. Keep in mind, this is after taking a break, all right? So Skywalkers, this one has already gotten the running. This one has already sitting on that 200. So let's see what it does tomorrow. Still throwing it up for the Skywalkers. Still, Skywalkers all day on this one, all right? And that brings us to the last stock here of the top 10 at 10, as if you all haven't already made enough money in your mind after these picks that we research and we give you every single day. Put a lot of time and a lot of energy into researching these stocks here. All right, here's another one. This one's on clearance. This train ticket's on clearance. You know how remember like they used to have like the mega bus that was like $1 for a trip, right? This show $1 trip here on the money train. All right, as you can see, this is ArcBest Corporation, another one of those hidden gems, only about 600,000 shares in volume. All right, they're in trucking, right? Everything got to move on trucks. I mean, like, of course, trucks don't drive across the water. Land. That's it.
Once it hits land, what's gonna move it?
Exactly.
Until they come out with that teleport device, a truck has to move it.
Oh, if I keep swing trading and making all this money, man, I might be the one to come out with it. I might be the one to come out with it. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and claim that, right? But speaking of teleporting, I mean, you could have teleported your money 20% in 7 days right here from, one place of making a lot of money to having a little bit more. That's 20% there. We can just include this all in one big swing. That's 37% in 18 days. It takes a break, it takes a little bit of a break. And let's just say you skip all of this. Let's say we're just gonna skip this and you're like, you know what? It's taking a break right now. I'm gonna take a break on it. All right. And you get back in right here. You take another 30%, all right, another 28, 30% in 11 days. All right, and then it's just taking another break. That's it. So this stock right here is on clearance, right? And that's gonna take some time before it crosses over that 200-day moving averages. I mean, it's not that far from it. It's literally like 15 or 20% off of it. So it won't take forever for it to cross it over again. But this is one that I want you all to just do the swing on, right? Just do the swing. You know, there's something called a dead cat bounce, all right? Dead cat bounce, right? And I want to show you all what it is. We're gonna do a little teaching moment here. All right, here we go. A dead cat bounce is a temporary, short-lived recovery of asset prices from a prolonged decline or a bear market that is followed by the continuation of the downtrend. All right, to put it in layman's terms, when a stock goes down like this, it may bounce up another 5 or 10 or 15% before it starts going back down again, which is totally fine with me. I'm not here to stick with the stock forever. I don't work there. I don't have any shares in the company. I just want the swing. So when it does do that reversal, I want to be in there to make some money off of it. All right. So this has been the 10th stock of the top 10 at 10 tonight. ArcBest, it's another one up for the Skywalkers. All right. I'm just going to give you a quick recap of the stocks that we went over tonight, just in case that you need to really just take a look and take some time to write it down. And in the meantime, here we go again. We got Alta Equipment Group, Freight Car America, Hukipa Pharma, Immunity Bio, Goodyear Tire, Global Blue Group, Bioline RX, Surface Oncology, Opera Limited, and ArcBest Corporation. These have been your top 10 picks for Sunday, June 13th. We are not going to open up the phone lines tonight because we got some family in town and we're going to go right back over there to chilling with our family. But I want you all to go ahead and add this stuff to your watch list, add it to your portfolio. Comment below, let us know, are you going to buy these stocks? Is this something that you have already bought? Did you own one of these stocks before? Is it new to you? Do you not like the picks, right? Are you like, you know what? I don't like that pick. We want you to comment below, because when you comment below, it lets other people know that like dialogue is available and like we can get to chat with each other and make everybody great here on the Money Train. I don't have all the answers. I'm just MJ the conductor. I'm here to drive the train to your destination. I just got a map. I just go here and I go there, and I want you all to roll with us. So this has been another edition of the Top 10 at 10. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. You better go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and of course, go ahead and share so we can get this information to as many people as possible across the entire world, so we can all make a little bit of money and make our future as bright as possible, right? Because right now, inflation's killing us, these pension funds are killing us, student loan debt is killing us. I mean, we just got bombs going all around us. So one thing that you can do to help out somebody is share this broadcast, help them make a little bit of money, get them on the Money Train, and that's it. This has been another edition of the Top 10 at 10. I'm MJ the conductor. Steven, you got anything you want to say on the way out?
Nah, man, just sign up, like, share it with your family, your friends, subscribe. And I know you're making some money, man. Send us something on that Cash App. Share the
Hit the Cash App. Hit the Cash App.
We helping y'all make money. Hit the Cash App.
$ Underground Wealth Roll. Hit that Cash App. If you make money, hit the Cash App. We're not like the other channels. We're not just going to ask you to hit the Cash App for no reason. If you're making money, hit that Cash App, all right? All right, peace, everybody. Y'all have a very successful week. Have a blessed week. Listen, everything that you want to do this week, you can do it. Get off your ass. Go make that shit happen.
Make that money.
Peace. I'm out.